We'll guide you through how to check your anti-gravity quota and limits. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Pausa is now going to continue with the video.
First, open Antigravity on your computer and sign in with your account if needed. After that, just go ahead and click on Open IDE and just wait for it to load. Now once that it loads, one quick way to check your usage is through your model selection menu. Just go ahead and click on the drop down for your model, and then here you may see a yellow or orange warning icon next to the model if you are getting close to its usage limit. This lets you know that your remaining quota is running low. For more detailed information, just go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right and click on Open Antigravity IDE User Settings and just wait for it to load. And then at the left hand side, you will see different options. Here, just go ahead and go to Models, and here you will see Model Quota. Here you can view usage statistics, remaining quota percentage, and reset times for the available model. If you have reached a model's limit, it may show a lower percentage or indicate when the quota will refresh and become available once again. And that's it. That's how you check your anti-gravity quota and limits.